Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. So we are the group 5 and 6. So our strategic plan is the Supreme Motor Sales and Service Corporation in Cathedral Branch. Introduction is Supreme Motor Sales and Service Corporation is a company that specializes in automotive sales and services, offering a diverse range of vehicles and related services, including maintenance packages. They prioritize customer satisfaction by providing quality vehicles while ensuring that their after-sales service are dependable. They cater to various customers' needs with flexible financing options and have a support team available around the time. Vision statement is to be a top company in the motorcycle industry by giving great customer service and coming up with new ideas. Mission statement is to meet customer needs by offering affordable choices, easy loan options, and great service, helping the business grow and keeping customer happy. So goals and objectives: grow the motorcycle business, increase sales and collections, improve how employees work and treat customers.
So, SWOT analysis. Strength. Supreme Motor Sales and Services Corporation is committed to providing exceptional customer service with Smile. They are also a local dealership that keeps a great stock of inventory. They are expert in the used car market and can help you find the perfect vehicle for your needs. They offer competitive prices in all of their pre-owned vehicles. Weaknesses. One of the notable weaknesses that affect the operation of the Supreme Motor Sales in their mode of communication, which is mostly reliant on memorandum. There is a risk of service delivery and consistency when the delivery are misaligned, will in turn affect the overall client experience. Their branch are their branch store is not visible. The customers will not immediately recognize their location. Opportunity. Online sales and marketing can leverage digital platform to reach a wider audience, streamline the sales process, and enhance customer engagement. And then the needs, the established company with vast resources, brand recognition, the global reach, and the new entrants could intensify competition and make it more challenging. So, so the strategic initiative, Supreme Motor Sales and Service should find a new perfect location, enhance their online sales and marketing presence, improve customer service and communication consistency, also strengthen brand reputation. This strategic initiative is driven by commitment to innovation, customer service, and solidifying their market position.
So the next is action plan. Steps: find a new location. Research a new perfect place in the community to allocate the branch store. Timeline: 1 month. Responsible person. Market research team. Enhance online sales and marketing presence. Develop a digital marketing strategy including social media, email, and content marketing. Timeline: 1 month. Responsible person, digital marketing manager. Launch digital and campaign to promote online sales. Timeline: 1 month. Responsible person is digital marketing manager. So, next is improve customer service and community consistency. Conduct customer service training for all employee. Timeline: 1 week, and responsible person HR and training department. Implement CRM system to manage client interaction and improve communication channel. Timeline is 2 months, and responsible person is IT and customer service team. Regularly review and align service delivery standard with customer expectation. Timeline: ongoing, and responsible person is customer service manager. Next is strengthen brand reputation. Launch customer feedback program, and identify areas for improvement. Timeline 1 month, and responsible person is customer service team. Highlight customer testimonials and success stories on social media and website. Timeline 1 week, and responsible person is digital marketing team.
So let's proceed to resources needed. Resources required. Those strategic initiative will need a budget such as the budget for the market research, team to secure a new location, budget for digital marketing to support ads and platform management, and the budget for staff training to ensure the consistent service. Lastly, the budget for branding materials like brochures, online content, and graphics will be necessary to maintain a strong brand image. And next is obtaining resources. Budget for market research team will be used to research a new perfect location that are visible by the people in local community marketing and IT budgets can be allocated for digital marketing efforts and platform development. So let's proceed. Key performance indicator. Find and view perfect location. Success will be measured based on the sales performance, employee satisfaction, and accessibility and visibility. Second is the enhanced online sales and marketing presence. Success will be by online metrics such as website traffic, monthly visitors, bounce rate, and average decision duration and engagement on social media platforms, likes, share, click-through rates. Next is the improved customer service consistency. Customer satisfaction scores will be primary measures as well as reduction in the number of service delivery complaints and decrease in the average response time for customer inquiry. Next is the strengthened brand reputation. Success will be evident through an increase in positive customer reviews, testimonials, and overall brand recognition, which can be measured through customer surveys and or social listening tools. So next, risk management. Potential risk of challenges you might face. Number one is a decrease in customer spending could lead to reduced vehicle sales and service demand. Number two, global supply chain issues may result in delays in vehicle deliveries and parts availability. Third is new entrants or expansion existing leadership could intensify market rivalry, affecting market shares. Next is rapid advancement in automotive technology could make current offerings less appealing or obsolete. Five, rest of beta breaches or cyber attacks could compromise customers' data and operational integrity. Six, stricter environmental and safety regulation could lead to increased compliance costs or operational adjustments. So how you plan to address or mitigate this risk? Number one, implement flexibility financing option or promotional offers to attract customers during growth economic times. Two, diversify suppliers and maintain relationship with multiple vendors to ensure a steady flow of inventory. Third, focus on enhancing customer service and building a strong local brand identity to differentiate from competitors. Number four, invest in employee training and development to stay updated on the latest automotive technologies and trends. Number five, establish robust cyber security measures and conduct
adjust business practices to maintain compliance and avoid penalties.
Next is budget. Find your location. Research a new perfect place in the community to allocate the branch store. Then ang estimated cost is 150,000 in a month. So next is enhance online sales and marketing presence. Digital marketing strategy including social media, email, and content marketing. Estimated cost is 75,000 in a month. So next is digital and campaigns to promote online sales. Estimated cost 500,000 in a month. Next is improve customer service consistency. Conduct customer service training for all employees and estimated cost is 11,000 in a week. Implement a CRM system to manage client interaction and improve communication channels. Estimated cost is 6,000 in a month. Next is strengthening brand reputation. Launch a customer feedback program to identify areas for improvement. And estimated cost is 5,000 in a month. Highlight customer testimonials and success stories on social media and website. Estimated cost is 10,000 in a week. So the total for all the cost in financial plan is 707,000. So next is funding resources. Primary source, sales revenue, allocate a percentage from monthly sales of motorcycle to fund the project.
So next is review and evaluation. So in weekly, they conduct short-term meetings to discuss immediate sales and service updates and review daily sales reports and service metrics to identify trends and issues. And monthly, hold formal meetings to evaluate monthly performance against set targets and analyze customer feedback and satisfaction data collected over the month. And quarterly, perform comprehensive reviews of financial performance, including revenue, expenses, and profitability, and assess process on strategic initiatives and operational improvements. And annually is conduct through evaluation of overall business performance and strategic alignment, and review long-term goals, adjust strategies as necessary, and adjust new objectives for the upcoming year. What what criteria will use? I so what criteria will use to evaluate success? So first is financial performance, the revenue growth and profit margin. And second is customer satisfaction, repeat customers, positive reviews, and referrals. And third is assessing market position, including market share and brand reputation. And fourth is operational efficiency, sales process, and staff training.
The English solution is the SWOT analysis of Supreme Motor Sales and Services Corporation, the Legal Branch. The company possesses strengths such as exceptional customer service and a strong local presence with ample inventory. Supreme Motor Sales and Service Strategy Initiative focuses on enhancing their market position through several game actions, finding a new ideal location, growing their online presence and marketing efforts, ensuring consistent customer service and communication, and strengthening their brand reputation. The budget for the strategic initiative total 757,000 pesos, the largest shall advocate to boost online sales at 500,000 pesos, followed by the cost of finding a new location, 150,000 pesos. Smaller amounts are allocated to improving customer service consistency, 17,000 pesos, and strengthening brand reputation, 15,000 pesos. The Supreme Motor Sales and Services Corporation should have careful execution and ongoing monitoring, regularly evaluate process, adapt strategies are needed, and stay informed about market trends to ensure